Hello everyone, let's create grass text effect. Select type tool and write the letter that you want. Now make it bold and increase its size so that we can clearly see the grass text effect. Also make sure to turn your text to smart object first. Right click and convert it to smart object. Now you just need to put your image upon the text and create clipping mask. You need to select your letter by holding Command Control. You can see the rectangular marquee around my layer's thumbnail. See? While holding Command Control, click your text and it will make selection of your text. You can put it by right clicking upon your image and create clipping mask. And the second way is you just can directly select this mask option in the layers and the mask is added. Now we need to make outline grass effect. For that we need to create a grass like brush first. That is just very simple. You need to follow these steps. Let's start. Create a new document and select pen tool. Now create these two anchor points and just join them in this curve form. And right click and fill path. Here you need to make sure one thing, which is you need to fill this path only with black color, because if it's not will be black color, then we cannot define our brush. Hit OK. Now you just need to create duplicates of this layer. Go to layer panels, right click and select duplicate layer. Now just move it according to the way of something like a grass, just like I am doing it, to create a grass like effect. Again, go to your layers and select duplicate layer and then rotate it again. Here you need to minimize the size, and the third layer will also be created in the same way. You can also create the duplicate layer, of course, by pressing Alt key and drag your layer. Here it is created just simply. Now go to Edit and select Define Brush Preset. Once it's created, it will remain in this software forever. So you need not to create it again and again. You can use it like forever. Brush is created. Now just go to Windows and Brush Setting. Here you need to select Shape Dynamics and make sure to select this layer. Here you need to increase the size jitter to 100% and angle jitter to 100%. And minimum diameter 225 to 27 or around 30%, and roundness jitter to 100% too. You can see all the sliders here that I set to get the more natural grass brush effect. When it's done, just close it. Now the brush is created. Now select your brush tool to create a grass like effect and make sure to select the grass brush. And we just need to create the outline grass effect. Now you need to select your letter by holding Command Control and select your letter layer. See, the selection is created. Also make sure in a grass image your mask is selected. Now just select the lasso tool and right click upon your letter and select Make Work Path. See, it's created. Now select Pen tool, right click upon your letter and select Stroke Path. Here you need to make sure that your brush is selected, simulate pressure is checked, and the third but the most important thing, that is your foreground color. Your foreground color should be white, otherwise grass effect will not be created. And hit OK. You can see the brush effect is created. And it also depends on the size of the brush. If you have selected a big size of brush, then it will create a really big grass effect. So you need to just make sure to select the average brush size. Thank you for watching.